Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the
Xiaomi Mijia Smart Door and Window Sensor 2. Okay, you can get the sensor from various sellers on the net like Banggood, Gearbest or AliExpress for around $12 to $15 US. So what is new about this sensor? It still works with MiHome app, but the main difference is that it doesn't use Zigbee to connect, but instead it uses BLE, which stands for Bluetooth Low Energy. The other key difference is that it also includes light sensor, even if not that versatile as a standalone light sensor. And the third difference is its size. Since it includes light sensor, it is slightly bigger than the first generation Mijia and Aqara door sensors. It is also powered by CR2032 battery, which will last you a couple of years. So what does this mean? Well, first of all, you do not need Xiaomi gateway to connect it, but you need BLE gateway. Luckily, if you're into Xiaomi smart home, this gateway is included in several Relight and Mi products like bedside lamp, ceiling light, bath heater, etc. Or you can buy it separately. Of course, you could use it without BLE gateway, but you'd have to be near it since it connects to your phone and it kinda defeats the purpose. The installation is pretty standard as for all Xiaomi compatible devices. You either select it from the list of available devices or wait for MiHome to find it automatically. Then you press the small button on the side to perform reset and it is added to MiHome. As with all devices, you can rename it, select the room that it's in, and after installation you can use it to make automations. As you can see, the automations haven't been yet translated to English, but the 5 trigger options you get there are basically ambient light dark, ambient light light, opened, closed and timed out after predefined amount of time. Pretty interesting product, even though slightly limited in my opinion. The light sensor can detect only dark or light, you can't specify number of lux, and the whole sensor is just too big. The BLE seems to work fast and reliable, even though I was a bit skeptical at first. Is it for you? Well, you have to decide. In my humble opinion, there is no big advantage over the first generation sensor and the smaller, magnet part is too tall and feels like you could accidentally tear it down because it sticks out too much, but still a good product for those that need such functionality. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.